Hey, today is the day I'm going to show you a turbo deposit boost from $1 to a cool amount. It's easy to do if you use an advanced robot with an average of 90% signal accuracy. I will conduct trades on the New Zealand US dollar OTC currency pair. Time frame 1 minute. I request a forecast from the robot in 2 clicks. Its signal is higher. Guys, I've increased the speed of price movement for ease of viewing and to save you time. And now for the big news. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot for free. After that, you will be able to buy the full version of this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at the discount. Link in the description. Yes, after purchase, the bot gives unlimited number of signals. In the meantime, the first deal is coming to an end. It's a success. The signal from the bot was correct. Now I will invest the whole deposit amount in the next trades every time. New forecast from the neural network. Lower. Attention, I'm running a new comment contest. You can win $1,000. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to the channel. Like it. And write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 1 winner using randomizer. I will publish the results of the contest once a week in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There's a lot of valuable information out there that will help you pump up your skills. Subscribe soon. The second transaction is successful. Thank you, MaxBot. I'm investing in a new transaction of $3.61. The prediction from the bot is higher. Now I want to talk about how the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the world's financial markets. The onset of the COVID-19 pandemic in early 2020 triggered a massive wave of uncertainty and fear across global financial markets. As countries imposed lockdowns and restricted movements to curb the spread of the virus, economic activities came to a grinding halt. This sudden stop led to unprecedented market volatility and a flight to safe haven assets. Here's another great result. The neural network is accurate again. I'll go into the next transaction at $6.93. Without wasting any time, I get the signal. Higher. As a global reserve currency, the USD saw a significant influx of demand during the initial stages of the pandemic. Investors sought the safety and liquidity of the dollar amidst the turmoil. The surge in demand for USD led to its appreciation against most other currencies, creating opportunities for traders who could predict these movements. Similarly, the JPY, often considered a safe haven currency, appreciated as investors sought stability. Traders leveraging options could capitalize on the relative strength of the JPY during periods of heightened market stress. And I took the profits again without stress. That's great. Step by step, the goal is getting closer. I will enter the market at $13. The bot's new recommendation is to go higher. Friends, now before you are reviews of traders who have already learned the power of this robot. You will become millionaires with it. He absorbed all 9 years of invaluable experience of developers, which is given to you for a symbolic fee at a discount of 90%. This tool will triple your deposit and recoup its price on the first day. After purchasing the bot, you will be directed to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There, a team of experts analyze market situations and share signals. Here comes another accurate signal. I'm accelerating toward the moon. I'm about to enter the market at $25.29. The new recommendation is higher. The CHF also experienced increased demand due to its safe haven status, reinforcing its value against other currencies at 2020. Traders could benefit from the CHF's appreciation by strategically trading currency pairs involving the Swiss franc. In response to the economic fallout from the pandemic, central banks worldwide implemented aggressive monetary policies to stabilize markets and support economic recovery. These measures included interest rate cuts, quantitative easing, and various financial support programs. So, $22 has been deposited into the account. I'm investing $48.05. Lightning fast. The neural network gives me a recommendation. Lower. In 2020, the Fed swiftly reduced interest rates to near zero levels to stimulate economic activity and provide liquidity to financial markets. Lower interest rates generally weaken a currency, but the USD remained strong due to its safe haven status. Traders had to balance these conflicting dynamics in their strategies. The Fed launched extensive K programs, purchasing government bonds and mortgage-backed securities to inject liquidity into the economy. The increased money supply could potentially lead to long-term inflation, affecting USD's value. My bot continues to make me happy. I will now make a trade of $92.26. The reactive signal is already rushing in. Lower. Pandemic Emergency Purchase Program. Impact. The ECB introduced the PEP, a massive asset purchase program, to stabilize the Eurozone economy and ensure liquidity. The euro experienced volatility as traders reacted to these unprecedented measures. Understanding the ECB's actions was crucial for trading euro pairs effectively. The ECB maintained negative interest rates to encourage borrowing and spending. Persistent low or negative rates put downward pressure on the euro, influencing trading strategies involving the euro. In the meantime, thanks to bot signals, I've jumped over the $100 bar. New investment $177.14. Signal is lower. Governments worldwide introduced substantial fiscal stimulus packages to support businesses and individuals affected by the pandemic. These measures had significant implications for currency markets and trading strategies. The Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act provided over $2 trillion in economic relief, including direct payments to individuals, unemployment benefits, and business loans. The massive fiscal stimulus supported economic recovery, influencing USD value and creating trading opportunities based on economic data releases. In the meantime, I've made another profit and can enter the market at $340. This progress is very fast. The robot gives me a recommendation again. Higher. The pandemic has accelerated several long-term economic shifts, influencing currency markets and trading strategies. The pandemic accelerated the adoption of e-commerce and remote work, transforming business models and economic structures. Currencies of countries leading in digital transformation and technology adoption could benefit from increased economic activity and investor confidence. Traders could capitalize on currency pairs of countries at the forefront of fintech innovation, and I took a step towards the finals, plus $312. It's time for the final investment, $653. MaxBot tells me to go higher in the market. The pandemic exposed vulnerabilities in global supply chains, prompting companies to reconfigure their supply chains for greater resilience. Countries that adapt effectively to supply chain disruptions and enhance their manufacturing capabilities could see strengthened currencies. Regional trade agreements and collaborations gained importance as countries sought to mitigate global supply chain risks. Currencies of countries involved in robust regional trade agreements might experience increased stability and value. And here's the final result. The robot didn't let me down again. Thanks to its competence, I was able to start with $1 and earn $1,253. Thank you for watching. Get MaxBot at the link in the description. See you soon.